You are around the world, maybe you're in Northern Ireland, perhaps maybe you're in the UK, or you may be watching us from around the rest of the world. We're live on Thursday evening. This is Derry Halloween 2024! My name is Steve McClellan, and I'm here with... I say just absolutely beautiful. Hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of fireworks going off now. Absolutely incredible. But this is the culmination of a full week of activity here from Derry Council.
A full week of events, parties, discos, movies, so much going on for the kids.
Really, it's something very special. And we just had, if you just joined us, we just had a massive parade with lots and lots of people. We've had a big massive version of the time. Pretty cool. Look at that come up right now. Firstly, beautiful foil. It's just absolutely incredible. This it really is something very, very special indeed. Derry Halloween, of course, 2024, even bigger and better than before. Really is something very special. If you're just joining us for the very first time, this is what happens in the capital of the Northwest. A culmination of a lot of hard work here from Derry Council. Hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people, of course, here at the back of the foil this evening for the parade, which has been involving hundreds of people from local community groups, charitable organisations, youth clubs, dance groups, and now something very, very special. Just absolutely beautiful. If you're joining us for the first time, good evening to you, welcome along. This is Derry Halloween 2024. To the world across Good FM and downtown socials. If you're joining us, good evening to you. If you're joining 250,000 people here in the capital of the Northwest of Northern Ireland, this is Derry City, celebrating Halloween 2024. Well done, you go ahead. There you go, Derry City Halloween.